What? Chili, taco soup, shrimp.
And you see the Luan camp having two different entries. Here comes Nicholas White. White is out of Tennessee with the 2016 model Mustang. Says he's a master captain by trade. Wonder what the difference between a regular captain and a master captain is. I'll have to ask him. 884 at 157 for the captain. And he'll sail the ship for Q1 here shortly. I believe that will wrap up our 860 street race. White on the single pass goes 876 at 159.5, so about a 10th.5 above the 860 standard. So that'll put him in a decent spot on the qualifying sheet. So that was pretty much Stacy Roby's to own. Nicholas White making his license pass left side. The Tennessee captain at the 2016 Mustang. Steering the ship down the racetrack. 868 at 160, improving on the 876 he ran on his first session. Here comes your number 2 in points. This is Casey Flora. Flora out of Bowling Green, Kentucky, on the right side of the racetrack. And Nicholas White out of Savannah, Tennessee, on the left side of the racetrack. And we have a truck out at the top end. Not sure what's going on, as I do not see a car down there. But we're currently on hold while we have a safety vehicle out on the racetrack. So the Suncoast Performance 860 Street Race class is another class where the title is still very much up for grabs. Now, Casey Shotwell, Casey Flora, and Letitia Hughes are really the 3 people in contention. Paul Sinkowitz, depending on how the drops work, could have a chance. It's kind of hard to tell, but anyway, Casey Flora, right side. Team Duo and Suncoast Performance in the turbocharged 2017 Mustang. Nicholas White, the 2016 Mustang, left side. They are both the way clean and green, 8,000 to the second, separated on reaction time. times. Now who can go the best to 860 without going too fast? And Casey Flora gets there first and breaks out. Nicholas White, the master captain, gets the win. Number 2 in points goes down. He had the reaction time advantage and just took too much strife. And the master captain from Tennessee gets the win and goes to round number 2. Here comes your next pair, Nicholas White and Tom Mueller. Mueller out of Ohio, 2016 Mustang, the gray car on the right side. He qualified number 4 with an 860 with a 7. He faces Nicholas White. White out of Tennessee, 2016 Mustang, also on the left side. That's the red car. He's a master captain by trade. Thanks to Igor for letting me know. Master captains are in charge of the entire ship. We have sub-captains. Master is in charge of all of it. Right-hand side bumps through the stage beams. That means Nicholas White gets the automatic win. Tom Mueller was trying to get staged and couldn't do it. So Nicholas White gets the automatic win. He goes 914 at 118. It's not pretty, but it's a win. Tom Mueller tried to bump into the beams and unfortunately bumped straight through them and got... Charger. For somebody that really wants to get into this, you're a competitor. You helped bring this class to where it is. If you had words of encouragement for anybody as we watch Nicholas White and Gabriella Luan do their burnouts, what advice would you give to an aspiring racer that wants to get into the NMRA in a class like this?
I came into this with no experience 4 years ago. This is my 4th full year actually racing. And, you know, I started out in NA combination. My advice is go to your local track, get behind the seat of a car. I don't care if the car goes 15 seconds. Work your way up, gain seat time. And, you know, like I said, you can be standing here in just a very short amount of time.
They're all staged and ready. And Nicholas White spins the tires. Can Gabriella Luan hang on and not go quicker than 860? 864, her best pass of the weekend. So Gabby will go to the semifinals with the big parachute and all as Nicholas White blows the tires off and can only go 984. So now we took 2 Luans to the quarterfinal round. 1 Luan will go to the semis. And I'm guessing that Gabby will probably have her biggest supporter in her dad, Willie, as she comes back for the semis. And again, that's...
Just wanted to jump in here while you was looking at the pictures, but after that race, we noticed my rear end had come out of alignment. So, just did some routine maintenance and got her back to going. Hey guys, I know it's been a while since I posted, but I've just been caught up in life trying to finish this house, all that stuff. Still working on it though too. But anyways, we got to get out and do a little racing as you've seen in the videos and stuff. We went to the NMRA World Finals and took participated in the Suncoast 860 class with this stock block car right here. A lot of people don't believe that, but it is. Anyways, just got done watching FL2K yesterday, and seen Brett LaSalle what he did with his stock block Coyote. But he's got a lot more stuff done than he has. Other than I still got stock rods and pistons and all that stuff. But anyways, we went to NMRA, had a good time. Got to hang out with a lot of folks. Had a few people that was upset that we were making rounds and called us out on my license and diapers and window nets. I think I got teched 6 times. Yeah, no joke. Every round, they were taking me every round. And there's just me on it. I know, I talked to one other guy. I think he got teched twice, but they hit me. Even when the round I went out, they were going to tech me. And I told them I lost, so they let me go on. That girl, I don't know who she was, but she wound up racing her dad in the finals, and she beat him, and then in the semifinals, and then in the finals she raced another feller and wound up beating him, taking the win for that class that day. But then we go to Steele, Alabama, to a grudge race event. I think I had 115,000 in payouts, which was a lot. But Saturday we had 2 hitters that hit on us for a grudge race, and they found out some information on the car somehow, and they backed out. That's really why I don't care about showing anything about the car, because can't get a race anyways, unless it's a pro mod or something like that. You know, and I'm all about heads up. I don't want to give nobody, and I don't want to have anybody get me nothing. But I don't want to just race a straight up X275 or pro mod car or whatever and just get waxed. That's ridiculous, you know. So, but you know, they have their built motors and their built trans versus my built trans with the stock motor, and they don't want to do nothing. So, but unfortunately, that's why you see a lot of solo passes, because nobody wants to get it. So, anyways, it is what it is. Our next event is Trick or Treat at Holly, Mississippi. You look them up on the website. I posted a picture on here, so check it out. It's going to be packed. Best if you come in, it's best there to get there early. We'll probably be there at 12 just to get a good parking spot. I mean, this event will be packed. You know, it's one of the big heavy hitters. There's people come from all over the place. Texas, Louisiana. Last time I was there, like Texas, Louisiana, all over the place. But be some fast cars too, and the prep's always on point. So I feel sorry for my rear end. So, but anyways, look forward to seeing y'all out there, and maybe I can post a few more videos, stuff like that. But also, Holly is a grudge, no time event, so you will not get no slips. So better have you drag you or something. But anyways, all right, take it easy.